Mad thing. People, listen to me. Foota Hype, nah argue with no peasant.
But from them time then, when a unity, a unity. When a war in a dance hall, a war in a dance hall. But
Me no argue with servant. Me no argue with the wife shoes man. Me no argue with the man who be a dog. Me no argue with the man who left to take care of yard out.
But yet still have some people that come chat, I come talk about what if genuine. Nigga, you not genuine.
Boy, you're the viral boss.
You are one of the fear testing boy.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. You know it's your boss, Nandi and I building with another episode and another banging vlog for you, the viewers. So we'll see where some clippings are going on with Flex in the complex and Mad Sauce taking some shots at Foota Hype. And me have some clippings more and play for you because we'll see where Foota Hype clapbacks at them and saying, yo, him not argue with peasant, him not argue with servant, him not argue with man who sweep up the yard when the master gone, when the boss gone. So me have some video for share with the viewers. And boy, viewers and subscribers, them video are hot on the media because you know them artists and them money where they own the artists them like the Mother and the Vibes Cartel. You know, say them are second in command, or I should say them are probably the right hand man for some of them artists because you know say Flex are power with Mother from a longer time and also Mad Sauce are power with Vibes Cartel for a longer time. So them take some shots at Foota Hype and I'm gonna play that video the phone and I'm gonna also play the video with Foota Hype clapping back at them. Watch this, people.
Bad mind is active road boy. But again, big up the general. One ground God, one gully God. One Gaza. You don't know Gully and Gaza are forward from them time then. When a unity, a unity. When a war in a dance hall, a war in a dance hall. But on that now, a unity and love. And remember say, we wasn't no strangers. The whole of we are come from one stable. One stable the whole of we are come from. You understand what I say? So, when you see this go on now, this was inevitable. You understand what I say? This is something where been for happen from long time, but nothing happened before the time. But yet still have some people that come chat, I come talk about what if genuine. Nigga, you not genuine. So you don't know genuine, you don't know genuinity. You don't know it because it's not genuine. So how you are gonna know if it's genuine or not when you're not genuine? You are one of the fear testing boy in a dance hall. The fear testing boy in a dance hall. Nothing boy you're not real. Nothing boy you're not straight. Nothing at all boy you're not straight. May I tell you that? Nothing at all boy you're not straight. Nothing at all, boy, you're not real. Nothing. Nothing. You're your fake blood clot nation. Boy, straight. Which part are you straight? Which part are you straight? Anyway, people, dancehall is back in full effect. Don't watch the haters them. Cause when you're not there, it's gonna be a problem to you. Especially when you know say you should have been there, but because you have bad mind and dirty heart, you're not there. Okay? So big up to the real Alliance people them from long time. And the reason why I say Alliance, because if he's a real Alliance fans from long time, you're gonna know say Alliance, you're gonna know say Gully and Gaza is from Alliance. You understand me? I say one stable. Well, we draw on one table.
Boy, you're the viral boss. Yo. You don't understand yourself, you know, hombre. You don't understand yourself. Yo. See, I'm my father. Sing tune and call him man the name. Call the name. Big yo. You see me? And the man never did nothing, Bridging. And you talk so much negative against him. Who this way thought? Them can't. You depend everybody name. Everybody name. Now look at you. Them are power with me this, them. 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 Them are power with me this, them Them a take plane, bro. Them a do. Yo, fucker, yo. You see me? And who to say? They don't know. We are big people. We are not bitch, you know. We are money, you know. So, you know, we can forgive, but we never forget. You see me? But you see your mouth, nigga? You know, if you use your mouth, because you want to go viral, you want to get famous, or you want hits, or you want fame. You see me? And you chat every blood clot thing.
So now that I play the two video phone with the two man them I take some shots at Foota Hype, let's just jump right into the Foota Hype clippings and listen what Foota Hype have to say. And you guys in the comment section can be the judge of this whole drama we are going in a dancer. Because one thing for sure, you know, dancehall always a keep, you know. There's always something to keep in dancehall and keep the place festive on a different level. So watch what Foota Hype have to say, people.
Mad thing. People, listen to me. Foota Hype nah argue with no peasant. You hear me say? Foota Hype nah argue with no peasant. Me a king. We battle with kings. Me no battle with peasants. Me no argue with servant. Me no argue with the wife shoes man. Me no argue with the man who be a dog. Me no argue with the man who left to take care of yard and cut flowers and pick off things off I dog them and them something. Me no argue them people. Eh? Me a star, so me argue with star. If you notice, be a fella baka, I argue. Be a fella baka. Be a non-important element that can move at any time. Where the king can move them on the board anytime. Them a pawn, them are nobody. Me, a king, and me I done, and me run social media. I don't mean see some pussy, them have to talk about me. Have to talk about me, I don't mean talk about them. I don't mean mention them, me never remember them. They have to talk about me, and me are the man. And still now suck no pussy and fuck no body. Me are the man. I want to tell them how much of them can beat them chest. And say them no suck no pussy and fuck no body. Next, how much of them can beat them chest and say that. Have a good day. Yeah, so people, listen me now. Me don't have time to pay attention to peasant. You see when you see me, you see a leader. You see when you see me, you see a visionary. You see when you see me, you see a brand. You see when you see me, a moving machine. A money making machine. Me make promoter make money. Me make tickets sell. Me make people enjoy themselves. Me I do this for years. Me can't argue with people when I sell ticket. Me can't argue with people when I get book. Me can't argue with people if I know somebody them a follow back of them not get hotel room. Me can't argue with people if them not follow back of people them not meet stars and those things. And me open the door them and go into the big room by myself. You understand? Yeah. Me are my own Dan, my own general. When people make peace or I negotiate, them I negotiate with me because of me. When they see me in the big room, them me in the big room, them because of me. No follow back can't diss me. No man will carry people pants and I wipe them shoes and them something they can't talk to me. Me a star by myself. When they see me on the internet, I argue for myself. No boy can't send me go trace for them. Me I argue for my brand. Foota Hype brand. You understand? Because I love man, see? So, I don't want nobody to tell me about me to answer some people, dog. I can't answer people who are beneath me. I can't answer people who not carry the value where I carry. You see me? Yeah, me am my own boss, my own general, my own Dan. When me are going to the hotel, them are me book. You see me? When you see me on the flyer, them are me, you see. How people feel hype on me about events and situations where you're not involved. If you never carry somebody's shoes, or carry somebody's pants, or wipe off somebody's shoes, or hold somebody's water bottle, you wouldn't do that. So when if you talk to me, when me am my own star, I mean, not have to chat to nobody if me no want to chat to them. You understand? And me pay my bills every month. You see me? I don't care if you don't talk to me because I know you pay my bills every month. Yeah. God got me covered. You understand? Yeah, me a boss. Me and a boss kit. Me and a balls protector. Cause some of them boy are balls protector, you know. I want them to walk a protect man balls, you know. Yeah, some of them are cock blocker. Or if you talk to me. Eh? The girl them can't even get a chance with some of them man them. See you uno. Hold on, somebody from the president's office call me. Hold on. Yeah. Hear me say now. People I don't want because you know my followers and wanna love me. You know I try for me lower my standard. To argue with certain people, I will not do it. I won't do it. When I follow back at them, sliding on my DM this morning. Oh, you sliding on my DM? Or if you be follow back and I slide on my DM? You can't slide on my DM. Me no fuck man, you know. Or you fi over this or cuss me. On Instagram. And then you slide on my DM. Me you can't hold a conversation. First thing me a king, me not talk to nobody. You can't DM me, you can't say nothing to me in my DM. Ignore and block you get. Don't try that, me on a size, man. Me on the same level, none at all. Me a superstar. Me sell tickets. Me a hit youth, me a hit selector, me a hit producer, me a hit promoter, me a hit star. Yeah, me a hit man. Me a murderer. You hear that? So me don't have time to listen to you idiot. No, him not try DM me, dog. Urkel him not try. Him DM me. And me ignore him. I talk one bag of foolishness in my DM. And me just block him. No boy can't, me not chat to peasant. Me a bad man. Me a done. I done them have to talk for themselves. No boy can't come trace and argue and talk for no done. They done them have to talk for themselves. Worse, me not see you no. Me not see follow back a man. Me not see shoes man. Or carry me bag man. Me not see them people there, brother. Yeah, come DM me, boy. I want to hear you. Look like my fuck, man. Yeah, Martinel, how you know? Martinel, how you know? Martinel, let's see you. You're a genius, you know. Yeah, don't DM me, dog. Or if you do have in a comment section and diss me, then you come send message in a DM. I'm to you. Message your mother, man. I'm to you. You're a bad boy, no. Afraid of people, not at all, no. No time. Not then and not now. Me there road and say, I road me there, me alone. Never no mask. Tell them try me. Tell a nigga try me. Try me. Have a Glock 21 and a Glock 40. Tell them try me. Try me.
Viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think, because in my eyes, me I definitely said to myself, say, yo, them man are some big 40-year-old lad man, them big man and them man come out on the media. You know, event like girl, it is just crazy. Some people look on them different right now because all the same, you know, so dance hall is a festive place and things always are go on and things always are keep, but the fact that them man are big man and them out up on the media do all of them things, it is just crazy for people to see. And as I said, times have really gone by in a dancehall and in the space of our culture. Big man now act like big man. The man them act like them now have no backbone. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. You know it go already, man. A vibes and insight with another one, with another banging episode. You know it go. I'm out. Peace.